Well, I walked up to the bar, I laid down my platinum card, then I ordered 50 long necks for my new friends. Well, the barmaid passed them out, and before we chucked them down, I held mine up, said, "Here's to us and them." Well, this blonde slid up to me, she said, "That was awful sweet." And then I saw her boyfriend, as white as he was tall. Well, he broke up our hug with a 6'5" shove, and I found myself slammed up against the wall.